Hello, grade 7. How are you? I hope to be well. Today we are going to continue on Pupils Book, page 84 and 85. About past simple and affirmative form. Let's read the example together. I love it. We stayed really in a nice hotel, in a really nice hotel. They hated. We watched a French film. We went to Paris. We took a boat to a classic. I spoke to people there. I bought something there. I read some them again and again. I ate a lot of food, French food. Now we are going to put this verb in a past form. Hate, hated. Listen, listened. Stay, stayed. Watch, watched. Here, buy, bought, eat, ate, go, went, read, read, speak, spoke, take, took. This verb called regular because it ends with ed, and this verb called irregular. Now let's move to the second question. He match the spelling rule for regular verb past simple form 1 with 4 to 4 with A to D. Here, most verb we already talked about these rules in a workbook in a previous class. Most verb add ed to the most verb would be like walk, walked, want, wanted, need, needed. The second rule, verb that end with e, just we add d, like group number D. Decide end with e, just we add d. Decide, decided. Phone, phoned. Like, liked. Rule number 3, third one, verb that end with a consonant plus y. Consonant plus y, take away from y and add ied. Study, studied. Carry, carried. Try, tried. We remove I, then add ied. The last rule, verbs that end with one vowel and one consonant, double the consonant, then add ed. Like group C, stop, stop it, we double B, chatted, chatted, jog, jogged. This spelling rule is very important, guys. Here we have ed ending. We have 3 pronunciation for this ending. We have T pronounced D sound and ID sound. And here we have a group of verb, of regular verb that end with ed. We are going to divide them into 3 groups. T sound, D sound, and ID sound. Look here, like, like. We pronounce the D like T. Here, listened, listened like D. Here, hated, hated. We pronounce the D like ID. Now, decided. We pronounce like D. Loved. Also like D. Here, needed, needed like ID. This question is very important, okay? Play, played. Start, started, okay? Stay, stayed with D. Want, wanted, like ID. Watched, watched. Watched, watched, watched. Okay, and worked, worked. Okay, so this group with T sound, this group with D sound, and this group with ID sound. Now, the last question here, we are going to put the past tense verb of these sentences. Let's read them together. Yesterday afternoon, I spaced a lot of homework. The past tense of have is had. Last night, my brother and I made the dinner. The day before yesterday, my parents called a taxi to go to the airport. 2 days ago, we did a history project at school. Last week, my friend and I swam in the sea. Last month, our English teacher taught us a different part of body. Number 8 and number 7. Last year, I came to school by bus. 3 years ago, my parents bought me a pet for my birthday. That's fine for today. Thank you for listening. يعطيكم العافية. If you have any question, check with me on WhatsApp.